Sobrang napakalaki ng ambag ni Pastor Kibuloy para sa pagserbisyo sa ating bansa. Ako, personal ko namang nakilala si Pastor Kibuloy in the past years, and he has always been a partner actually of PDP Laban. In fact, kung naaalala ninyo, si Pastor Kibuloy ang natatanging masigasig na media company who supported PDP Laban in 2022. And before that, he has always been helping the PDP Laban candidates locally in Davao City, no? And ito ay tinatanaw na malaki ng PDP Laban. Kung kaya't kami po dito sa PDP Laban ay bukas na bukas ang aming puso na i-welcome siya bilang adopted candidate namin. At para sa ating mga kababayan na nanonood ngayon, nais namin kayong hikayatin na tingnan ninyo ang performance ni Pastor Kibuloy as a leader, no? Hindi lamang spiritual leader, but as a leader of the people who follows him and who follows his teachings, no? Dahil ito ay isang ehemplo at makikita natin kung gaano niya pinalawak, pinalaki, pinaganda, no? Yung katapatan, in fact, KOJC is one of the richest churches in the country and in the world dahil ito ay pinakita niya kung gaano siya ka-transparent, ang kanyang integridad sa paghawak ng kanyang kongregasyon. So, this is the kind of leadership that we want, a corruption-free leadership for the country. At kung paano, excited ako para makita kung paano pinaganda ni Pastor Kibuloy ang KOJC. Ganon din niya pagagandahin ang Pilipinas. In fact, I am one of the very avid supporters sa kanyang tree planting and clean up drive all over the country. So this is every Saturday. Paalala ko lang, cleanliness is next to godliness, and we need godly people who will serve in the government because those who fear the Lord will never do wrong.